In today's video, we are going to talk about how outsourcing fire system design can offer several benefits to businesses and organizations. So let's start. Number 1, cost saving. Outsourcing fire system design can be more cost effective than hiring an in-house team. The expenses associated with recruiting, training, and maintaining full-time employees are eliminated. Additionally, outsourcing allows companies to pay for services only when needed, avoiding fixed overhead costs. Number 2, access to expertise. By outsourcing fire system design to specialized firms or professionals, businesses gain access to a pool of experts with extensive knowledge and experience in designing fire safety solutions. Number 3, focus on core competencies. For businesses that are not in the fire safety industry, designing and implementing fire systems might not be their core competency. Outsourcing allows these organizations to concentrate on their primary business activities while leaving the fire system design to professionals. Number 4, fire project completion. Fire system design outsourcing firms are dedicated to delivering timely solutions. They often have streamlined processes and can quickly assess requirements, propose designs, and implement the system. This speed can be crucial for meeting project deadlines. Number 5, improved safety and compliance. Outsourcing to professionals ensures that fire safety systems are designed correctly and adhere to local building codes, regulations, and industry standards. This reduces the risk of non-compliance issues and potential liabilities. Number 6, enhanced quality and innovation. Expert fire system designers bring a fresh perspective and innovative ideas to the table. They can design systems that are tailored to the specific needs of the building or organization, optimizing safety and efficiency. Number 7, reduced maintenance and operational cost. A well-designed fire system can lead to lower maintenance cost over time, as it is less prone to malfunctions and false alarms. Outsourcing can ensure that the system is designed for optimal performance and longevity. Number 8, scalability and flexibility. Outsourcing provides the flexibility to adapt to changing requirements or project sizes. Whether it's a small commercial space or a large industrial facility, outsourcing firms can handle projects of various complexities. Number 9, risk mitigation. Reliable fire system designs helps reduce the risk of fire-related accidents and property damage. This in turn can lead to lower insurance premiums and improved risk management for the organizations. Number 10, long-term support. Many outsourcing firms offer ongoing support and maintenance services for the fire systems they design. They ensure that the system remains operational and effective throughout its lifespan. However, it is crucial to choose a reputable and experienced fire system design outsourcing partner to ensure these benefits are realized fully. Thoroughly researching and vetting potential firms is essential to ensure quality, compliance, and a successful project outcomes. So if you want to outsource your fire system design, our expert team at Acufire can help you with this. You can reach us at sales@acufire.com, or you can visit our website link given below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.